We all know that TikTok is famous globally and people of all ages are entertaining the world using the app. But it has been noted that in South Africa, the TikTok social media platform is considered the most popular app, and people are widely using it to earn money with the content. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the best and easiest way to make money on TikTok in South Africa today, and you can also implement this same method in any other country, which of course TikTok is actually accepted, and you can definitely make money on TikTok. The South African people are earning more through TikTok, but do you know why? A global influencing platform called webfluencia.com has engaged the first partner to collaborate with Africa. The company is creating new and unique way to keep African audience engaged using influential strategy. And as per the report, the growth in Africa shows no signs of showing slowing down or anything. Through this partnership program, TikTok has reached out more than 500 million active users in Africa. As a result, the platform has extended its potential to top brand with a strong customer base with all the influencers in South African, popularly African brands, and scrambling to get the access to influencers and also known as micro influencers as well. And in this video, I'm going to walk you through the easiest way to make money with TikTok in South Africa. One, why is TikTok is famous in South Africa today? There are plenty of reasons why the TikTok social network has become increasingly popular in South Africa. One of these glaring reasons is that it involves creating unique and engaging video content, creating clickable content on the bio on the platform, and also help creators to reach out to their desired audience easily. You can engage with audience in a fun, quickie, and innovative way. Part of the part of which you can also entertain the audience is the most Africa uses TikTok, where they also earn money for themselves, just like some other social media platform. How to make money on TikTok? If you are new to the TikTok trend, your goal is to gather as many followers as possible. At this stage in your account, this takes it extremely difficult because it's kind of like grow is hard sometimes to even grow a TikTok account because you have to gather up some followers on your profile before you will be able to make money on your TikTok account. So the first method, which of course you can use to make money on TikTok today, is grow and sell accounts. If you want to make money on TikTok, the first thing you need to do is to grow your account and then sell them to people who are kind of like interested in buying them. Before you create your video, you need a niche to target. This niche can be as broad as possible, and you can decide on what kind of audience you actually want on your TikTok profile. Once you figure out your niche, then you can start putting out videos on your TikTok account. Publish on a daily basis so that your profile can grow as fast as possible. Then after you have gained some viral views on your videos on TikTok, then you can decide if you would like to sell that account or not, and you can decide on how much you would also like to sell that TikTok account. Another way, which of course you can also use to make money on TikTok, is get involved in donation. Getting your followers to make donation in another popular ways to earn money on TikTok account. And you can also do it on TikTok as on Instagram as well. This method requires you to go live and collect donation from your viewers, much like the way you stream on Twitter and also make money. Your viewer can send you coins as a sign of gratitude, and they appreciate the kind of content you are actually creating for them to view. Another way is to manage campaigns. The other popular method to earn money on TikTok is through campaign management. In this method, you will be working as an influencer agency. You act as a broker or as a middleman between the TikTok creator and the brand who wants to work with that specific TikTok creator. Your task is to coordinate the TikToker and the advertiser and balance their interest to make sure the TikToker actually deliver what the audience actually want. Another method is use proven advertising platform. Using ad platform is one of the smartest way to earn money on TikTok. By this point, you have already seen ads on Facebook, Instagram, and other social media platforms before. TikTok influencer can get cash the same way with these ads on TikTok. Doing this method, it is simple as Googling, just like TikTok ads. Register for an account to get complete access to the ad platform on TikTok if you have access to your PC, and you can definitely do that without any issue. Another method is to offer consulting services to grow TikTok account. So this method, you can actually find people who are looking out to grow on TikTok. Then you can just tell them, you can help them to grow their TikTok account, and they are going to offer you a certain amount of money. You can promise them if at the end of the month they will be able to generate 100,000 views, 100 views, or see certain followers on their TikTok account. Then once you reach an agreement, you can tell them how much you will also collect at the end of the month, so that you reach an agreement and they will make sure they deliver based on the agreement. How to monetize your TikTok account in South Africa today? There are plenty of success stories in TikTok. However, not all can have the same appear at the end. If you want to earn some bucks using TikTok, I actually strongly advise to recommend running an monetization on your account by reaching out to different kind of sponsorship, and then apply for them and tell them the kind of content you are creating on TikTok, and let them know how you will be able to deliver a good result to their business or as an influencers. So these are the different ways which of course you can also make money on TikTok. There are also some other features like gift card and different kind of stuff on TikTok, which of course you can also benefit once you have access to make money with your followers on TikTok. So if you have any other question, you can let us know through the comment section below, and we'll try as much as possible to provide an answer to it. Thank you.